Welcome to our lesson on a fundamental rule in geometry, the Side-Angle-Side Congruence Postulate. We'll often call it SAS for short. This is a powerful tool for understanding why two triangles are identical. First, let's talk about what it means for two triangles to be congruent. Simply put, congruent triangles are exact copies of each other. They have the same size and the same shape. If you could pick one up, you could place it perfectly on top of the other one. The P in SAS stands for postulate. In the world of geometry, a postulate is a statement that is accepted as true without needing a formal proof. It's a foundational rule that we use as a building block to figure out more complex geometric truths. Now let's break down the name. The letters in SAS are a recipe. S stands for a side of the triangle. A stands for an angle, so SAS means we are dealing with two sides and one angle. This is the most important part of the rule. The angle in side-angle-side must be what we call the included angle. This means it's the angle that is formed specifically between the two sides we are looking at. Here is the postulate in its full form. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Let's see this in action. Suppose we have two triangles. For the first one, we know the length of one side, the length of a second side, and we know the measure of the angle that is directly between them. Now, if we look at the second triangle and find that it has a side, another side, and an included angle that are all congruent to the ones we just saw on the first triangle, then the SAS postulate kicks in. It tells us that these two triangles must be completely congruent. Be careful of a common trap. If the angle is not between the two sides, the rule doesn't work. This situation is sometimes called side-side angle, or SSA. As you can see, these measurements can sometimes create two very different triangles, so we cannot use it to prove congruence. So to wrap up, remember these key points. SAS stands for side-angle-side. It's a shortcut to prove that two triangles are congruent, and most importantly, the angle must be the included angle found directly between the two sides.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.